So board exams are finally over, and for the past few months, your life was probably just studying, exams, pressure, and now suddenly everything is quiet. Finally, you have that free time now. And what usually happens in this phase is that either you start spending your day scrolling on your phones, or you start stressing about your future. Questions like, which subject should I choose in 11th? What career should I go for? What if I choose the wrong path? But the thing is, this time between you completing the board's exam and starting the 11th class, it's a very valuable time. So, here I am today to share 5 things that you can do in this time period that could actually help you later instead of just letting these months pass by. The first thing you can do during this time is explore different career options. At this time, most of us feel pressure to know exactly what we want to become. But the reality is, most of us are still figuring things out, and that's completely normal. So instead of rushing into a decision or following blindly what others are thinking and saying, explore different career options. You can watch videos of different career options, see what people do in that profession, what skills are required, and what their day to day looks like. Sometimes we only know common career options because that's only we hear about. But when you explore, you get to know other options that you may not have heard about or thought about. This does not mean that you have to decide your whole future and whole career right now. The goal is to expose yourself to different career possibilities so that you can make more informed decisions later. The second thing you can do during this time is learning a new skill. School teaches us many subjects, but most of the time it does not focuses on practical skills that helps us in real life. And now, this free time is the best opportunity for you to learn something new. This could be anything like communication skills, public speaking, writing, coding, graphic designing, drawing, cooking or baking, dancing, singing, or learning basic computer skills, or even improving your language skills or learning a new language. You don't have to learn everything. You just have to pick one thing that really interests you and learn it little by little. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to develop the abilities that can help you grow beyond the academics. The third point is something that many students realize very late, but you can start it early. Start researching about your future career details. For example, if you have thought about something you really want to do in the future, maybe preparing for a competitive exam after class 12th or pursuing a particular field, try to understand everything about that path. Look about the things like what are the degrees and courses available for it, which college and universities offer these programs, what are the entrance exams for it, what the eligibility criteria is, what the fee structure looks like, or if there is any scholarship available. These research will not only help you for plan B, but also for your plan A. If you already have something in your mind that you really want to pursue, these information will help your goal become more clearer. And when your goal is clear, you would not get distracted by every new option you hear about. Of course, it's still good to keep a backup plan in your mind, that is plan B, because every time it does not go exactly as planned. But the main focus should always be on preparing for your plan A. So now let's get to the point 4. So for past few months, your routine would be already loose because you would be staying up late and then waking up early just because you want to complete your syllabus and want to study as much as you can for your boards. And even after exams, it's very easy for us to completely lose our routine. Staying up late, waking up late, and spending hours on the phone. And that's completely fine. You totally deserve this break after exams. But staying in this routine for months will be difficult when you try to get into study mode once your class 11 starts. So what you can do this during this time, slowly try to build a simple and healthy routine. Fix your sleeping and waking up time, and by that I mean a reasonable time, not like sleeping at 3 a.m., waking up at 1 p.m. You can try sleeping at 10 to 11 p.m. and then waking up at 6 to 7 a.m. And after that, spend your few hours doing something productive, learning a skill or reading the books or exploring different career options. Anything you feel is productive to you, you can spend few hours of your day in that, and then you can enjoy rest of your day totally without any guilt. Watch movies, TV series, go out, hang out with your friends and families, go out and play, do whatever you want. A balanced routine helps you stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. The fifth thing you can do during this phase is exposing yourself to better and meaningful content. We all spend a lot of time in consuming content, but what type of content we consume actually matters. So instead of scrolling random videos in your phone every day, start to watch something meaningful that can help you grow. For example, you can watch documentaries, listen to podcasts, or read self-improvement books, or follow some educational YouTube channels, learn about financial literacy, or watch videos related to communication, self-confidence, psychology, or something about personal development. These kind of resources expose you to new ideas and different perspectives that school often does not teach. They can help you know about the world better, learn how successful people think, and discover the interests you didn't even know you had. And the best part is, even the small habits like reading a page daily or listening to podcast while relaxing can help you expand your thought and your mind, and you could have a different changed mindset. So if you have just finished your boards, do not feel like you need to figure out your entire life immediately. This phase is not about knowing all the answers, it is about learning, exploring, and preparing for what comes next. And if you use this time wisely, these few months can become a really valuable step in your journey. So like this video and share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.